Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to spread mulch? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, my helper and I are going to spread mulch over this little plant bed. This is a pretty easy job that anybody can take on their own. So if you haven't done it before, go ahead and check out this video, and in just a minute we're going to show you exactly how it's done. So we picked out 100% cypress mulch, but there's different mulch. There's red mulch, black mulch, rubber mulch, and cypress mulch, and it's really up to you. I like cypress because it's kind of natural and it doesn't float as much as others, but it's up to you. There's also pine bark and bigger pieces. Really, go ahead and check it out. These bags are about, I don't know, probably 30 pounds a piece. They're 2 cubic feet, and there's not really a science to this. You want to take your plant beds and get it prepped. This one's had mulch before, but after about a year, it starts to go away. So you want to go ahead and make sure you pull all the weeds and everything else. We just plant a couple new plants, water them in, and now we're going to spread mulch. We want to keep it at about, 2 inches thick, not too thick, because you can start to get some fungus and stuff if you have too much mulch. You don't want a 6-inch bed, but also if it's only an inch, it's going to start to wear faster with the sun and everything else. So to do it, you're just going to go ahead and rip that bag open. Can you help me? I need your muscles. Whoa! All right, good job. And then if you want to wear gloves or any safety equipment, you're going to take this. So this plant bed here, just looking at it, it probably is about 2 bags, maybe 3. But I like to dump a little pile, not directly on the plants, kind of between them. And you're just going to go like this around the entire area. So I have kind of a top view of it. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Also, if you notice right here, we had a sprinkler head. So we went ahead and kept that. So we'll try to keep the mulch off the sprinkler head. And then Mia, you want to help me spread this out?
Sure.
So you're just going to start to spread this out. Again, about 2 inches thick. And as you're going, you're just going to do this. So we'll show you a quick time lapse, and in the finished product, we're going to add 1 more bag to even it out. Well, it's that easy. Just put it on there, spread it out, make sure it's nice and even. Little pro tip for you. Go ahead and you take the empty bags, and you throw them all into 1 bag. So you've got 20, 30 bags, keep throwing them into 1. Hold it nice and steady, looks like you know what you're doing. Give me a big high five for all your help. Very easy to do, definitely can do it. If you appreciate this video, go ahead and like, comment, and most importantly subscribe for more great home how-to and some basic videos like this. Again, thanks for watching. Remember, if I can do it,
you can too, and that was very fun.
yeah, you can too. Thanks for watching.